Senator Defensor Santiago, kayo po ay nag-file ng qualified medical leave noong 2012 dahil sa chronic fatigue syndrome. Ano po ang inyong motibasyon sa pagtakbo sa gitna po ng inyong karamdaman?
Hindi mo ba alam ng sakit? Tumataas o bumababa o nawawala? Magtatanong ka bakit may sakit ka, bakit tumatakbo ka? Eh, diretso ko yan o karapatan ko yan. Ano pa yung iba niyang gustong malaman?
Ang sabi po ay iilang beses lang daw po kayo nakadalo sa plenary session.
I was at the height of cancer stage 4. Stage 4 is the last stage. Nag-aantay ako mamatay. Eh, hindi ako pinatay ng guardian angel ko eh.
Maraming salamat po, Senadora Defensor Santiago. Mayor Duterte, ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa
I will
pahayag
not
ng
go into
Senadora?
an argument
You have 60 seconds.
or debate with Ma'am Miriam. She's telling you the truth, and truth is very important. I do not see Senator Santiago passing away within the next 20 years. So what's the problem?
Senadora, you have a chance to answer. May counter-rebuttal po kayo kay Mayor Duterte.
In fact, I did not lie in bed. I did not feel sorry for myself. I felt sorry for my country. Because graft and corruption is endemic and everybody speaks out but nobody has done very much except Mayor Rudy Duterte.
Maraming salamat po, Senadora Defensor Santiago.
Okay.